Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Pisces at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tingnan po natin ngayon kung ano yung enerhiya o mensahe na mababasa po natin para sa'yo, Pisces, at sa person mo. I don't know who I am anymore. Okay, so Pisces. This is both, ito yung parang pinaka-theme na ng ating reading. Hindi mo na alam kung sino ka na. Bakit kaya? Parang naguguluhan ka dito. Either you o yung person mo. Okay? So, tignan natin. We have the King of Wands, the Hierophant, the Ten of Wands, the Seven of Swords, and the Two of Swords. Bottom niya is the Seven of Cups. Okay, so Pisces. Seven of Cups. Doon sa mga matatagal nating nanonood na at sa mga bago, alam mo na, ito yung enerhiya o mensahe na sinasabi na marami kang option, no? Marami kang pwedeng pagpilian. Hindi lang isa, dalawa. Actually, dito pinapakita niya 7 eh. So, pili ka, no? Yung sinasabi sa dito ni God o yung universe. Marami kang pwedeng piliin, marami kang pwedeng i-consider. Hindi lang kung ano yung meron ka ngayon. Kung naguguluhan ka dahil di mo na maintindihan kung anong gusto mo, marami ka pang pwedeng isipin kung ano yung talagang mas nararapat para sa'yo. Ito yun eh. Make a choice. Okay? Hindi lang isa yung option mo. Kung sinasabi dito, maraming pwedeng maging option. Okay? Now, the energy is the devil. Ang sinasabi kasi dito, what is the negative aspect of this? No? Kasi magkatabi sila eh. O magkasunod sila. Yes, you have a lot of options, no? Meron ka pang maraming pwedeng pagpilian o isipin o i-consider. But you have to be very careful about what you choose. Maging maingat sa pagpili kung ano yung option na yon. Hindi dahil lahat dito ay mabuti. Yun yung gustong sabihin dito. That's why there's the devil energy. Kaya you have to be very wise in choosing what is really the best for you. Hindi yung nagustuhan ko lang to kasi ito yung feel ko gawin ngayon. Okay? Dahil hindi nga lahat ay mabuti sa mga pipiliin mo. Kaya dito natin pinapasok yung intuition eh, Pisces. yung pakiramdam ba, yung gut feel na tinatawag natin, that small voice within us, kailangan natin gamitin this time at paniwalaan. Kasi nga, may nakalakip na hindi mabuti dito sa marami nating pagpili. Pinapakita lang kasi dito na hindi pa naman ito yung, kung gaba parang naka-stuck ka na dyan. Hindi, no? Pwede ka pang maraming gawin. I am giving you that freedom to choose what you want to do. But of course, you have to be very careful of what you choose to do. And maybe yung pagpili na to has something to do with a lover. Yung mahal mo. Energy coming from a Gemini. Pisces. Itong devil is an energy coming from a Capricorn. Okay, so baka, no, be careful with a lover. Kasi magkakasunod sila, eh. You have the freedom to choose maybe other persons in your life, but you have to be very careful kasi hindi naman lahat na magiging ka-relationship natin ay mabuti para sa atin. Kasi the lover might be the one, pero also it is asking you to make a very important decision in life. Okay? Lovers. So, be very careful. Kasi dito yung devil energy. Now, the King of Wands. Ito yung enerhiya na, of course, we wanted to express ourselves, be creative, and, have fun, maging determined. All the good qualities of a Wands, no? Yung fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And of course, yung Hierophant is all about having that relationship, that marriage, yung structure, no? Hierophant, ito yung energy coming from a Taurus. So, yung gusto mo na energy na oo, maging masaya, creative, lahat, fun, ganyan. The happy side of life as against the serious side of life. No? Kasi yung Hierophant is more of really being dedicated to your relationship, dun sa marriage, o dun sa institution. It's all about institution, eh. Yung talagang andun yung dedication. Hindi ka basta-basta pwedeng umalis or kalimutan o ibig sabihin andun yung talagang you work hard for it. Para maging very stable siya. And it's getting to be a burden, no? With the Ten of Wands. Mabigat na eh. Parang mabigat sa kalooban. O yung mahirap dalhin. Bakit? Kasi siguro hindi ka honest, no? You're not honest with yourself. Or you're not honest with the person. Meron kang tinatago, nililihim. O nagsisinungaling ka. And that is why you are in the middle of trying to make a very important decision. With the Two of Swords. Hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin. You're trying to make up your mind. Maybe because, sabi nga, yung tipong mag-i-stay ba ako dito sa relationship na to o hindi. Kasi mabigat na eh, no? It's getting to be a burden. Hindi na ako masaya. Kasi sabi dito, I don't know who I am anymore. Parang bigla kang nawala na sa Bigla mo na lang di naintindihan yung sarili mo. Parang ganun eh. But ano yung King of Wands? We have the Five of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so merong conflict, may kaguluhan, may disagreement. Something to do with being single. Pisces. And it is causing delay, no? Yung pagiging single na yan. Nagkukos siya ng mabagal na pagkilos. Kasi kung nag-i-enjoy ka pa eh, no? If you're still enjoying to be single by your own, doing things by your own, kasi okay ka naman, you are, diba? Sabi ko nga, energy ng King of Wands, okay ka naman, masaya ka, na-express mo sarili mo, determined ka, you're good, no? You're definitely good. Pero it is bringing in conflict. Ang dala niya ay gulo. Ang dala niya ay argument. Hindi pagkakaintindihan, misunderstanding. Lalo na kung nagiging napakabagal ng pagkikilos. Okay? As if wala nangyayari. Walang nangyayari. Now, Hierophant. Ba't andito yung Hierophant? We have the Ten of Cups, the King of Pentacles, and the Three of... Okay, so, diba, ang sinasabi ko dito, yung you need to be very serious about this to make it work. Yung relationship or yung marriage. Because you wanted to be happy, no? With the Ten of Cups. Gusto mo maging masaya. And stable and secure with the King of Pentacles. You might be dealing with a earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. But somehow, with the Three of Cups, meron bang third party? Meron bang sumingit? No? Parang... Let us see. Kasi pwede rin naman na you just want to have fun. No? Kasi kung puro trabaho lang, trabaho, yung person mo, you want to have fun. You want to have a date. Gusto mo rin naman magkaroon ng date. Yung tipong kayong dalawa lang, mag-enjoy. It could be. Hindi naman necessarily a third party. Kasi sabi ko nga dito, you want to be happy with the Ten of Cups. Gusto mo maging masaya dito sa relationship na to. Bakit andito yung Ten of Wands? Bakit andito yung Ten of Wands? We have the Seven of Wands, the Nine of Cups, and the Six of Wands. Okay, so pabigat na nga, no? Pabigat na. Something na talagang difficult na to parang shoulder everything. Kaya you've been very protective of yourself, and because that is what you wanted, no? Yung wish mo na maging successful ka, no? To have that success. Kaya kung gaba parang dahan-dahan ka lang, no? Kung nakikita mo na medyo mahirap na tong relationship na to, hindi na nagiging madali para sa'yo, kaya kung gaba you put up your boundary, Kaya sinasabi mo, teka muna. Nahihirapan na ako eh. And ang wish ko is of course hindi mahirapan. Yung okay lang, ma-enjoy ko lahat. And be successful on it. Tagumpay. Ayoko nang hindi magtagumpay. Bakit andito yung Seven of Swords? Ba't andito yung Seven of Swords? We have the World, the Lovers, and the Seven of Cups. Okay, so yung bagay na maybe sinungaling ka o meron kang hindi nasabi, meron kang nilihim, okay? Take it as it resonates, Pisces, ha? I'm not just dealing with you, but I'm also dealing with your person. Kung sino man yung nagre-resonate dito. The world is an ending that is going to have a new beginning. No? Magkakaroon ng pagtatapos. Pero kung gawa parang bibigyan lang niya ng pagkakataon na magkaroon ulit ng panibagong pag-uumpisa pagdating sa inyong dalawa, sa inyong relationship. Kasi nga, di ba dito tayo nag-umpisa, Seven of Cups, sabi ko sa inyo, marami kayong option, marami kang pwedeng pagpilian, marami kang pwedeng i-consider. And maybe that is what you're not trying to hide, no? Kung ba tinatago mo to, o yung tipong hindi ka nagiging honest about this, kasi nakikita mo na parang kailangan na magtapos eh. Gusto ko na siyang matapos. Kasi naiisip ko, baka meron pang mas mabuti. Hindi itong ngayon ko. That's why there was an ending. You're trying to think of a way to end this kasi, di ba, you wanted to end itong relationship na to. To have other choices. Kaya nga, kung gaba parang, kasi nga pabigat na siya eh. Pabigat na yung pakiramdam mo. Nagiging burdensome na siya. Hindi na siya, kung gaba hindi ka na masaya eh. Pahirap na. Maybe nagiging demanding na yung person. Bakit andito yung Two of Swords? You have the Six of Cups, the Four of Cups, and the Eight of Wands. Now, you are trying to make a decision. Somebody from your past at yung person that is currently with you na nag-o-offer ng love sa'yo. You need to really talk about this. Kailangan nyo talagang pag-usapan so you could make that decision. No? Mahirap kasi somebody from the past is kilala mo na siya before. So, kahit pa paano may pinagsamahan na kayo, kilala mo na siya. And ganun din naman yung ngayon eh, current mo. But nakikita mo dito sa Four of Cups that mas yung focus mo dun sa malayo eh. Kaysa dito sa eto na, tapat na ng mukha mo. Kung ba parang mas tinitignan mo tong person from the past kaysa yung ngayon. And you need to discuss about that. Kailangan yung pag-usapan. Kasi ito yung part na I don't know who I am anymore. Hindi mo na kilala yung sarili mo. Kung ano yung mas gusto mo. Kasi ito yung parang sinasabi mo rito, mas gusto ko ba yung tao na yung dati na bumalik ngayon? O yung relationship ko ngayon, yung current relationship ko ngayon, sino ba mas gusto ko? That is a very important decision that you need to make. Di ba minention ko yung kanina? With the lovers, a very important decision that you need to make. You have to choose. And you have to choose wisely. Di ba sinabi ko nga yung option, di ba ito? You have options. Maybe this is your option. But ang ano ba yung katabi nito kanina? Remember, it's the devil. So you have to be very wise of what to choose. Piliin mo mabuti kung ano yung tama para sa'yo. You ask guidance from God or the universe na ituro sa'yo yung tamang desisyon kung sino mas mabuti para sa'yo. Dahil ikaw lang ang makakagawa ng desisyon na yan. Like attracts like. If you long for more love, be more loving. Okay, so kung naghahanap ka ng mas maraming pag-ibig o talagang matinding pag-ibig, then kailangan ganun din yung ibibigay mo. Hindi naman pwedeng gusto mo nga ng matinding pag-ibig tapos hindi ka naman nagbibigay ng love. Imposible naman yun. Diba? Like attracts like. Kung ano ka, ganun din siya. Diba? First quarter moon in Scorpio, release your blocks. First quarter moon in Aquarius, trust the universe. Yeah. And full moon in Cancer, let your fears dissolve. Yeah. Yung mga takot na yan, alsin mo yan. Magtiwala ka sa God. Magtiwala ka sa universe. Hindi ka niya pababayaan. And alisin mo lahat ng naka-block sa'yo. Anything that is blocking you, to be the authentic you. Yung talagang ikaw, yung totoong ikaw. Alisin mo yung mga nakaka-block na yan para lumabas yung totoong ikaw. At hindi mo na to sasabihin na I don't know who I am anymore. Dapat alam mo kung sino ka. Alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo. Alam mo yung nakakabuti para sa'yo. Kasi yun yung magiging basis mo for your decisions. No? Para makagawa ka ng tamang desisyon pagdating sa pagpili kung sino yung gusto mo o yung gugustuhin mo o yung gusto mong makapiling ng mahabang buhay. Remember, andito yung Hierophant. So, Hierophant is all about heading towards marriage, relationship, institution, something na talagang pangmatagalan. And what you are wanting here is happiness, no? Total happiness. With the 10 of Cups, gusto mo yun, na maging tunay na maging maligaya ka at maging stable. No? Yung talagang sapat, yung pera, walang hirap. And it is something worth celebrating. Diba? Something that needs to be celebrated about. Kaya, gusto mo maging matagumpay, na you want to be successful dito sa relationship na to. So, make sure that you choose wisely yung option na yan. To choose what is the best for you. No? Huwag ka maglilihim. Talk about this. Talk to yourself. Talk to your person. And you can only do this if you know yourself that well. Kung kilala mo na yung sarili mo. Kaya nga, kung ano yung kaya mong ibigay, yun din ang matatanggap mo. Okay? Tandaan mo yan. Pisces. So, kung kanino man Pisces itong nakuha nating enerhiya, sa pagbasa na to. Sana nakatulong ito sa inang malaki. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.